Good morning, everyone. Came here because I have to call it this furnace has no power. The only thing I've done so far is just to plug in a simple tester and there's lights on it. So there is some power here. And when I pull the hvac, which is before this, it feels power there. So the circuit is functioning. Don't know what it is yet. Haven't taken the cover off. So, oh, well, look at that. That's circ fan. Okay, that's just the circ fan. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, well, I have an idea what's going on. That doesn't look good. That's definitely bad. So we're gonna have to fix that. Probably shut power off. So, wow, this is one of those situations it's good to take a picture so you can show your customer who's not currently home what you found. So it's going to take a little bit of repair. And just because the switch is off, oh, I just want to make sure the power's still not there. Switches do fail, things get backfed, you never know. Alright, so this wire nut is now, well, this is part of this wire, apparently. Wow, it's cooked, man. Too much heat in that wire nut melted it. I believe that the wire here is actually okay on the connector, which is great, because that would be a harder fix. Actually, yeah, it's just on the surface. Seems like it's wire nut coating on the surface of this wire. It actually doesn't appear to be damaged. I'll still probably do something to make sure of that in case it's something I can't see, but it actually appears to be okay. So these three wires must have went to bed. Good. Went to bed. Went together. If I could speak, that'd be great. Alright, so this goes to transformer. This is power in, and this goes to the board. So the other thing to check is when that shorted, did it mess up our fuse? Actually, I think the fuse is okay. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that. Yeah, it seems like the fuse is okay visually. I have seen a fuse fail that looked okay. Still didn't work. Homed it out, and it was actually bad. So for now, I think that one's actually alright. Circuit breaker probably saved everything else. So I'm going to cut this all back because it seems like it's just really close to where the connector was. Cut this off, put a new wire nut on it, fire it up. So let's do that. Then I want to check anything else here. Now we may find when we turn this on, if something is causing this to draw too much power or whatnot, but we won't know that until we fix this issue. Hopefully I don't have to extend any wires, but there. If that melted onto there, I have to check that in a minute. It does smell a little like burning in this box, of course. There we go. I don't know why the wire strippers weren't working. That's alright. Okay, so I want to inspect it. The thing actually looks alright. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna have to extend some stuff. It's alright. I kind of want to cut this one back more anyway. I don't really like the way it's stripped, so might have heated up the wire and really, lack of better words, melted the plastic more onto the wire than what it's initially put on. Yeah, that stripped much better, so I'm glad I cut that back. Nope, didn't strip all the way. There we go. Oh, that's nice and nice clean copper here. Nice clean here. Oh, that one's actually more of an aluminum looking wire. So I'm gonna have to get a piece of wire to extend this one and then bring it up to these. Nice piece of black wire. Gonna extend that bottom transformer wire. That'll be plenty. It's important to note that unless, you know, something bad happened to that wire nut, I don't know what really bad would happen to a wire nut, but basically the question is, why did it melt? So do we have an overdraw situation? Something else failed in the furnace that's causing the issue? I don't know. But let's see what kind of amp draw it has when it's running after I fire it up. So I'll get power back down to our transformer and power into our board and power coming down to feed both of those actually. Got the meter. Alright, let's see what happens. Power still. Still have power. System may not be calling. If you hear that other sound, that's the other furnace in the other room. Let's jump it out. I don't think this system, unless I'm missing it, you can see a service light on this board, or status light. For a breaker. That's what it has. Turn 11.2 amps. So this appears to be fixed. It's more than likely just a hot wire nut. I'll let this run a little bit. Make sure it's not overdrawing, make sure nothing's hot or shouldn't be.